How to change a Facebook page name. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change a Facebook page name, simply you make sure you have an updated version of Facebook application and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, launch the Facebook application and make sure you have switched to your Facebook page. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen over here and then tap on the gear icon. As you tap on the gear icon, scroll down and under the audience and visibility section, you'll be able to see the option of page setup. So just tap on page setup and here you can see the name. So tap on name and as you tap on name, here you can see the name. So you can just change your name over here. But if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So you just can change once and then tap on review change. And this will take up to 3 days and require additional information. So if the name change is approved, then you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 60 days. So during this time, we may also let the people who follow your page know the name's been updated. So you just have to mention your password over here and then save the changes. And after the approval, then you'll be able to change your Facebook page name. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.